Good day guys, so I'm gonna teach you up how to fix thermostat valve in Nissan Navara D40. So this was a reconditioned one, of course, and I have put a lot of effort to clean this up, and it's kind of new now. So it was with this full of corrosional water. So when you fix in this, you need to keep in mind that there is a little arrow in thermostat valve, as well as there is a breather. See the pressure release breather in the same valve. So when you're fixing it, you need to keep in mind to fix it in a right direction. So let me see whether I can zoom this up. In the engine block, the light. So in the engine block here you will see small there's a curve kind of thing here. So the thermostat valve has to be pointing the arrow towards the down. Where when the pressure build up over here, so it has to release from this small breather here. So it has to be pointed, the arrow pointed below. So when you point the arrow to the below, the breather will take a place in this. So if you or your mechanic does a mistake, make sure you take a look at it and then let him fix it in a right manner. So otherwise the consequence is going to be a worst. Thank you. There's a o-ring which fix on this, and maybe before you fix it you have to apply some sealant, make sure there will be no leak, and then insert the just a minute, wait. Look at the arrow.
Okay. Hurry.
Right, Mashu. So now you can fix the bye baby.